What's up guys, it's time to take a look at the latest leaks for the Galaxy Note 10. The absolute breaking news is here. We have the first live images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 via Tech Talk TV. Along with that, we have some exciting hidden features for the Galaxy Note 10 family that Samsung has planned that we didn't see coming at all. So we're going to talk about that. But first, the live images. It's following all the leaks and rumors. If you look at the design, it is completely based on the OnLeaks leak. The only difference here is the naming. So the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, previously rumored, might now be called as Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So Note 10 Plus meaning the bigger Note 10 version with 6.7-inch display, whereas the smaller Note 10 model will just be called as Note 10 that will have a 6.3-inch display. The Galaxy Note phones are always based on the S series, but this time Samsung has definitely made a huge change for the Galaxy Note 10 family. The hole is towards the middle. This is the first Samsung phone to have a hole towards the middle, and it's a huge difference compared to the S10 Plus. The pill-shaped hole is just too big, so it's definitely looking much better than that. Ice Universe was indeed true that the Note 10 Pro does look incredibly beautiful in real life images. Towards the back, we can see the triple camera sensor in vertical orientation, along with the flash and the TOF module. Now this image is a little bit blurred, but with the sticker on the back, you can definitely tell that this is indeed a Galaxy Note 10 Plus prototype. So with the setup menu, you can see we have the One UI running. We could expect to see some features with the One UI on the Galaxy Note 10. There could actually be a S Pen remote app that we heard about a couple of months ago, so excited for that. Now Ice Universe tweeted out that the Galaxy Note 10 Pro and the A90, the upcoming Galaxy A phone, will have 45 hours of ultra fast charging, which is a huge improvement compared to what we have on the S10 family. We also have something called 3-stage variable aperture, f1.5, f1.8 and f2.4, meaning you'll be able to change the aperture of the camera like you do with professional DSLRs and take picture in that f-stop. Having variable aperture is pretty cool. I mean, it's a hardware phenomenon. The Exynos 9825 chip is also coming with the Note 10 Plus, so for the Exynos user, there will be a definite upgrade compared to the Exynos 9820 inside of the S10 family. So the live images are looking great, but there are no shots for the bottom or the top of the phone. So for that, we have some case renders showing off the exact cutouts for the Galaxy Note 10 family. So towards the bottom, we have the S Pen slot, a loudspeaker along with a USB Type-C port, and a microphone. Yes, that is actually a microphone. It's not a headphone jack. We also have two additional cutouts on the top of the phone. One of them is for the microphone, and the other one is supposed to be for the IR blaster. The life of the jack is coming to an end, but to be honest, Samsung has kept it around for so long. I'm pretty sure there will be some kind of deal regarding the Galaxy Buds, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 family will come with a pre-installed Microsoft Phone app. This app allows you to mirror the Note 10 screen on your Windows PC. So pretty much this application will be pre-installed. It's actually available, but it's not pre-installed on the S10 family, so you have to download it separately. You can do this on your Samsung Android smartphone, but with the Note 10 family, this particular app is set to be pre-installed. So that's all we have on the latest Galaxy Note 10 leaks. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest tech videos, and let me know your thoughts regarding the Note 10 family. Do you think it's a big upgrade from the Note 9? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.